Hi guys and gals, Miss Dawson here. Today's lesson we're going to be talking about frequency tables. So the word frequency just means how many times something happens. So once, twice, 5, 10. It just means how many times something comes up. So a frequency table is just a way to keep track of things that you've counted. So what I did here is I just made a list. It says favorite food, and then it's just a whole bunch of information. So what the frequency table is going to do is organize this information. So what I'm going to do is set it up. Now, we have favorite food, steak, chicken, pizza, pizza, chicken. It's just a bunch of random information. The frequency table is going to organize it. So the first thing you have to do is figure out what you're working with. So the first thing we have is steak. So I'm going to write that right here. Steak. Second one we have is chicken. Okay. Third one we have is pizza. All right. And then if I look at the list, those are the only 3 that I see. So your next step is to make tally marks for each time you see the listed food. So every time I see steak, I'm going to do a tally mark. So there's once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times, right there. So we got our information for steak. Next one is chicken. I see chicken once, just going through the list, 2, 3 times. Okay, and then the last one was pizza. Every time I see pizza, I'm going to do a tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th one, you close the gate. That's what it's called. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 more after that. So we're done getting our tally marks. The next part is you just write the number that those tallies represent. So we have 5 and 1, so that's 6 for steak. Chicken was 3, and pizza was 7. So then if you just put your nice, neat lines around this, we had steak at 6, chicken at 3, and pizza at 7. So, as you can see, looking up here, yeah, you could go through it and read it a whole bunch, or you could just have a nice, neat frequency table to show you how much each time it's occurring. And that's it for frequency tables. They're pretty quick, they're pretty easy. I like them because it's not just some confusing thing that you're using. It's organizing info, organizing data. You'll see it a lot in like sports, keeping track of data. You'll see it a lot. So frequency tables are something that you will use and you want to know how to read them because it's just going to help you learn whatever data that they're tracking. All right. Bye, guys.